So we are back. So the point of this video blog or archive is to keep a record of my continued ability to improve on my reading skills, in particular Tigrinya. And hopefully I'll make it faster than my first, second spoken language, English. Laughing out loud, really. So anyway, I've tried to read this one for the first time, and I'm gonna actually not be embarrassed enough to tell you how fast I can read. So I'll tell you this little chapter, and I'll read it, and then I'm sure the next time, by the time I'm finished this book, I can read faster and faster. And anybody is just a point to prove that anybody can learn, especially the young people in diaspora. So for that reason, I won't say I've got so much pride in actually putting myself a little bit down and actually reading it for you. You can actually laugh along the way, but then, it's a challenge. I can read faster next time. So anyway, let's start this. Madam, Izzy, መጽሐፍ እዚ ብቐንዱ ኣብቲ ኣጋጣሚ ዝኽሪ መበል 20 ዓመት ሃገራዊ ማሕበር ሰራሕተኛ ኤርትራ stroke HKCA, I don't know what that is, ምስ ክቡር President Isaias Afwerki, that's the easy part, ዝተኻየደ ቃል መሕተት ብምምርካስ ዝተዳለወ እዩ። ዕላማ ናይቲ ቃል መሕተት ነቲ ሃገራዊ no, I do not know that abbreviation actually, HKCA, whatever it is, አበጊሱ ዝሰርሓሉ ዘሎ ንታሪክ ምንቅስቃስ ሰራሕተኛታት ኤርትራ ዝምልከት ሰፊሕ ናይ ምስናጽ should be ምህናጽ or something project Tigrinya project Yelandi. Sorry. Merhan Mawakasan Nkhawin EU Nairu. Iti Alamati Ab Botuu Inna Hallowe Kaa. Don't know that abbreviation. HKCA. Anybody let me know, please. Izzy ቃል ማሕተት ተጸሚቑን ፕሬዚደንት ኢሳያስ ኣብ እዋን ብረታዊ ቃልሲ ይኹን ድሕሪ ናጽነት ዝገበሮም ነስራሕተኛታት ኤርትራን ምሕበሮምን ዝምልከቱ ኣደራታትን ዝጸሓፎም ደብዳቤታትን ሓዊሱን ብመልክዕ መጽሓፍ ናብ አንበብቲ ክዝርጋሕ ወሲኑ። Oh well. This is gonna be interesting, and I'm gonna love every part of it, but there you are. This is really my first Tigrinya book, and this was my first attempt to read it, and hopefully in time, and I'm sure of that, I'll read faster. Bye!